So friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am showing if you guys facing the server is busy, please try again later error problem in Deepseek. So guys, watch this video till end because in this video I am showing why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you have to follow these steps to fix this error problem. First, refresh the page. Sometimes a simple refresh or restarting your browser app resolve temporary glitches. Now the second is check your internet. Ensure your connection is stable. Now the third is try again later. Wait a few minutes and attempt to reconnect, especially during off-peak hours. Now fourth is check official status. Visit DeepSeek's official website, social media or status page for updates or outage or maintenance. Now the last and fifth step is contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to DeepSeek customer support for assistance. I hope you understand what I am saying. To like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.